Welcome to another Advent Calendar Solve. I'm Dr. Gareth Moore, and in this video I'm going to be solving the case of the missing cookies and Santa's Workshop. Well, let's start with this one. Here we go. Let's have a look. Santa's Workshop. And yesterday we found that we were in the print room. So let's see what's in here. Another one of these are multicoloured words. We've seen others on the calendar here and elsewhere. And what does the card actually say? It says, it looks like a computer screen, comp : enter present pattern style below. User : .. Okay, so we're looking for three dots. Red, blue, green. Are we using the pattern styles we used before? Again, it's just across the calendar from there. And by here is red, blue, green. Oh, there's one with red dots, which is a D, one with blue dots, which is an R, and one with green dots, which is a Y. And that surely is red, blue, green for dry, because there's three dots here. And on the calendar, red, blue, green dots. So dry, which I can see is right next to it. Is this the easiest day ever? I think it might be. That's assuming I'm correct. We're expecting to see a chocolate for tomorrow in here, if I can get the door open. And we do. Actually, sorry, the chocolate is for today. This is the door for tomorrow. Right, the puzzle for tomorrow. Now let's look at the other calendar as well. Let's maybe zoom out first. There we go. Yesterday we were here with Cornelius, with the green hat, the feather, and the non-matching glasses. What does it say? Do you know what the dot above a letter is called? If it is in italics. No? No matter then. And then it tells you his location, which I've marked already on the map at the front of the calendar. Wow, this guy is really into writing. Personally, I'm a fan of italics, but he is really into letters with a dot on them. It's called a tiddle. Okay, if you say so. Anyway, back to the elves. What were they saying again? Oh, look, and there's a yellow pin. So I think we're going to be putting this on the back of the calendar, but I've discovered the other two times we've done this that is not part of the puzzle. At least it hasn't been those days, so I'm going to ignore that for now, and I'll do it after this video. Just like I'll mark the location of the next room in after this video. But it says about italics. My guess is, having solved this calendar now for several days, that this is information for a future day, and that I'm reading just the italics and not paying any attention to anything else. Let's take him out, because I need to pin him on the back, I assume. And I'm looking for the words in italics. Now, last time I did this, I found out you can actually read the italics from top to bottom. So, if I just read the italicized words, rather the Roman italicized words, not the bold ones, because I've used the bold italic words before. They spelled out letter sounds. So we've got their, favourite, I'm just pointing at the doors that are open, drink, is identical with Bill's drink. Okay, so we need to find out what Bill drinks and then find the elf that has the same drink. In fact, have any of them got drinks before we go any further? He's got a drink, but he's already had the door opened. So he's not the answer to the puzzle. No one's got a drink. Oh, he's got a drink, but his door's opened. Maybe it has pictures of the elves with drinks on the back. Because if none of them have drinks, then identifying a drink, well, those are probably not drinks, identifying a drink is not going to help us. Yes, I think all the elves appear on the back. I thought for a while they didn't, because some of them were very differently dressed. He's got maybe a drink, but no, it's a pipe. Okay, none of the elves have drinks. Let's work out what Bill's favourite drink is and see what happens. So Bill's favourite drink. Here's Bill's, no, that's Fred's store. Here's Bill's bar, and it's open. Can you see that? Let's turn the camera slightly. Bill's bar, his favourite drink. Well, I've used the blue letters before to spell pen. I don't see anything about a drink there. So Bill's bar is here. I thought it says bar. Maybe that's not Bill's bar. Is there? Oh, here we go. There's something about Bill's bar here. Come and try our favourite drink. And it says live entertainment, great atmosphere. Bill's bar open till 8. And then it has a gingerbread man with a martini glass, I think, and an olive in it, presumably, on a stick. So is there a gingerbread man somewhere on the calendar? I don't think that drink appears on this page opposite, no. So let's look for gingerbread man or martini glass that I somehow missed the first time. I've got to be honest, I don't see a gingerbread man. I don't see a martini glass. Perhaps those were on the back and I did miss them. Let's have a look. Maybe I should zoom in a bit. Okay, do we have information about them that says one of them likes drinks? Oh, yes. Favourite drinks are on the back. Okay, that was probably really obvious. Yes. Look down here. Jacob Golfer. his favourite drink is a gingerbread martini. His favourite cryptic Christmas movie is The Fast Locomotive to the Arctic. There we go. Anyway, gingerbread martini. I said gingerbread, I said martini. That's the answer. So Jacob Golfer. Oh, here is the golfer. So he's the guy with a red nose, natty pink shirt, golf club, and a green tam o' shanter. I don't know what you call those. Here he is. Oh, he looks really cheery there, doesn't he? But that's definitely the same guy. That must be his favourite drink. Now we've identified why he's got a red nose, perhaps. Anyway, let's open this door, and here is our chocolate for day 9. Excellent. There we go. That's both calendars solved. That second one was quite a bit more involved than I expected when I first looked at it. The first one was a lot less involved than I expected. But anyway, there we go. They averaged out, didn't they? Don't know what that hand action is. It's my new hand action for average. There we go. I hope, as I say, you enjoyed that. If you did, please do join me tomorrow when I shall solve the puzzle that's in those 2 doors that I just opened. And at the end of this video, there are links to some other videos of me solving things if you fancy watching some more videos straight away and can't wait till tomorrow. Why not watch them now? Excellent idea. But anyway, I would appreciate it if you haven't yet, if you could subscribe to my channel. It makes it easier to find future videos and it's free. And also, if you can like this video, if you enjoyed it, or even if you didn't, why not? Then also comment as well. I'd love to read your comments. It's always interesting to me to see how you got on. Always interesting to know what you think. Anyway, I guess all that pretty much remains for me to say now is I look forward to seeing a future video. And until one of those, take care and goodbye.